Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to perform language translation using Python. We will use the Google Trans library, which is an unofficial Python wrapper for Google Translate API. Please note that this is an unofficial library, and it might not be as stable or feature-rich as the official Google Translate API. You can install the library using pip. Make sure to install this specific version to avoid any potential compatibility issues. Create a new Python script and import the Translator class from the Google Trans library. Instantiate a Translator object, which will be used to translate text. Now, let's write a function to translate text from one language to another. This function takes two parameters. Text is the text you want.